Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The second non-composite data type is called the pointer data type. As the name suggests, the pointer points towards some location. So actually, this data type actually point towards or it reference to some memory location where the data is stored. So this data type needs to have information about the type of the data that will be stored in the memory location. So it is going to store two things. One is the pointer or the reference of the memory location where the data is stored and which type of data is stored, like integer hai, real hai, which type of data it is. Then in pseudocode, the type definition has the following structures. How we write it, what is the syntax of declaring such type of data type. So if you want to declare one identifier of a pointer data type, then how you are going to declare it. So in the structure, the up the rate sign, this sign is actually used. This power sign is actually used to show that the type being declared is a pointer. So actually, this symbol is used to show that the type being declared is a pointer data type, and the type name is the type of the data to be found in the memory location. That type of data can be integer or real or any user defined data type too. So what is the structure? The structure or the syntax of writing it. First, you have to write the keyword type. Then you name your identifier, as the name would be t month pointer that points towards the month of a particular month, or is equal to. Then you have this symbol. This symbol actually shows that this variable is of pointer data type. So then write the type name. The type name is t month, so t month is the data type, the data type of this month pointer. The data type of this month pointer, this indicates that which type of data is stored there. So actually the month is stored here in the t month pointer. Then you have to declare the month pointer, a variable of t month pointer data type. So t month is the data type in the memory location that this pointer can be used to point to. So this pointer is actually pointing towards some month where the month data type is a user defined data type, or it is a enumerated data type that we declared in the previous video. So it could be used as follow. The month pointer can be this month. So this shows that the month pointer variable is going to contain the location of this month. Location of this month variable. Okay. So if the content of the memory location are required rather than the address of the memory location, this can be the scenario that sometime they ask you to extract the exact value that is stored there on some memory location. So how you are going to extract that value, or how you are going to get that value. So for getting the value, we will write this symbol at the end of the pointer. So when we write at the end of the pointer, then the pointer can be dereferenced. So the month pointer has been dereferenced now. So this will give the exact value that is stored in the month pointer. Okay, and that month pointer value will be assigned towards the my month variable, to the my month variable. Now look at the activity. The activity 13.b says that using the pseudocode for the enumerated data type for the days of the week that I assigned you in the previous video, that you have to do one activity and you have to declare an enumerated data type of the days of the week. If you already have done that, then declare a suitable pointer to use for the days of the week. Set your pointer to point towards today. So you will set a today pointer, and remember you will need to set up the pointer data type and the pointer variable. So you are going to do two things. First, you need to set up the pointer, this pointer. Then you are going to set the today pointer or the variable. So two things you have to define. First, you are going to define a pointer data type. Then of that pointer data type, for that particular pointer data type, you will going to declare a particular variable for the today pointer. Okay, so remember, you will need to set up the pointer data type and the pointer variable. So two things you need to declare. Okay, let's moving towards one question, exam style question for CAI exam. So a pointer is a variable that store the address of a variable of a particular data type. Consider the code on page number 3, which uses the following identifiers. The identifier names are here. This table actually contains three columns: identifier names, data types, and then the description of each identifier. Integer pointer, this pointer to an integer variable. Okay, so this symbol indicates that this is a pointer data type. Then integer variable, this is simply an integer type variable that will contain whole number. Temperature 1 and temperature 2 both have integer data type, so they are going to contain some whole number values. Okay, if we look at this memory addresses and the content of the memory, then the name of these variable. So this whole table will give you enough information to fill up these questions. So use the diagram to state the current values of the following expression. This at the rate sign actually indicate that you have to write the address here. Okay, so at the rate temp2 is 6715. So if you look at temp2 variable, then this is 6715. What is the memory location? 6715. Then integer pointer is here. So in the integer pointer, if you look at this variable, the second question says that integer pointer, but this is without a pointer sign. So if this is without a pointer sign, then we are going to extract what is written here. So integer pointer is 7306, the location, but what is the content? The content is here 8216. Then integer pointer, and then this symbol actually indicate that you have to extract the value, because we are dereferencing the pointer data type. So dereferencing mean you have to extract the exact value. Integer pointer contain 8216 memory location. So when we go to 8216 memory location, this has the content as 88. So 88 is the answer for that. Integer pointer is 80. Integer pointer with the pointer sign is 88, is equal to temp2 contain the value as 57, and then plus 6 would be 63. So 63 is equal to 88? No, it's not. So the answer would be false. So integer pointer, the answer is false here, because this contain this these two values, the left hand side and the right hand side, are not equal. Then comes the D part. Write the pseudocode statement that will achieve the following. Assign the value 22 to the variable temp2. So simple, this is quite simple. So temp2 will be written on the left hand side, and then you will point is equal sign and is equal to, then on the right hand side you will place the value 22. Write the pseudocode statement that will achieve the following. Assign the value 22 to the variable temp2. So temp2 is equal to 22. This is simple. Then place the address of the temp1. Address of temp1 in int pointer. So when you are going to place the address of temp1, then what you are going to do is, int pointer will be on the right left hand side, then is equal sign, and then at the rate sign. This at the rate sign actually indicate that temp1 address will be placed here on the left hand side. Then copy the value in temp2 into the memory location currently pointed at the at by integer pointer variable. So integer pointer and then the pointer sign, then temp2 will be assigned to it. That's all about it.